Alright, so this is how to replace the batteries on your deadbolt locks and door handle locks. There's a screw, depending on the lock that you have, you will have, if it's the deadbolt, you'll have a screw on the bottom and then two on the sides, one on each side. This one is actually the handle, the door handle type, so this one actually has them on the side only. And we'll take off the other one. And my dogs are here to supervise. So just slide the cover off, and you will get to your battery compartment. You'll see that says arrows to the door. Just replace your batteries, drop it back in, and reinstall the cover, and you're done.